Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created for an educational purpose. Here I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis, that's the price action trading. I am not a SEBI registered person. If you want to take trade based on my analysis, please keep the stop loss or else conduct your own analysis and take the trades, because risk management is very important part in trading. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share my videos, and also subscribe my Telegram channel. I will give the link in description. Once again, welcome to daily market review. That's the June 2nd. So this is the Nifty hour 1 chart. In hour 1 chart, price traded in ascending channel, this one. So I expected to price hit the upper leg of the channel around 15,900 to 16,000 area. Now price make some consolidation here. There is a range. We expect some range between this range. If break above, then we decide to long, or else price break below this trend line. This is a supportive trend line. So if any breakout to the downside, then we decided to short, we search for short opportunity if it happens, or else price hit this trend line, bounce back, then we expect a bullish price action in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, price traded in a ascending channel. So price heading towards the upper leg of the channel around 36,500 range. We expected bullish up to 36,500, but now price traded in our one hourly time frame on ascending channel. So we expect price hit this area, bounce back. Now this is the resistance trend line. So I expect price to hit back to this ascending channel lower leg. So tomorrow, if price break 35,200, then we expect some bearish move up to 34,900 to 34,800 area, or else if price break above, and then we expect to hit upper leg of the channel. So my view is bearish for tomorrow. If price break below, and then search for short opportunity in Bank Nifty, or else if price break above, then we go for long. So expected price within the channel range, price movement in within this channel. In ICICI Bank, price traded between support and resistance zone. So we expect the channel range, ascending channel. Once this price hit this level, we expected to bounce back to upper leg of the channel. So tomorrow, if we find any rejection from this confluence zone, this like this rejection candle here, then we decided to long in ICICI Bank. So expected to price hit the upper leg around 700 area. In Kotak Mahindra Bank, price traded within the range. So this is the range. ranging from too many days. So if we find any bounce from this zone, we expect another range, but I expected the price break above this trend line. Then this is the very good for long opportunity. If it happened tomorrow, I will let you know once it happens in my Telegram channel. So just wait for breakout, or else price might continue this ranging. So my view on Kotak Bank, I expected to break out to outside. SBI Bank price facing resistance here, the resistance. So here also price moving in a ascending channel way. So price is already at the upper leg of the channel. Now price facing resistance. So this is the resistance trend line. So in weekly level, price traded in a resistance area. So let's wait for clear breakout of this resistance zone, or else if we find any some consolidation is expected. SBI Bank in 15 minutes time frame, we expect some range here between 435 to 420 area. If this range break below, then we go for short, searching for short opportunity. If this range break with a momentum candle, upper leg of the channel area, so then we decided to go long. Price is very bullish in SBI Bank, so I expected a bullish price action in SBI. If there any range, then we will decide tomorrow how price react within this area. In Reliance Industry, price traded ascending channel, price moving within this channel. Now price facing resistance zone here. In this resistance area, if you find a rejection, then go for short opportunity up to 2000 area. Within this channel range, price made one more triangle pattern. This triangle pattern is already broken out, but pullback not happened yet. So if price back to this zone, then this will be very good for long in Reliance Industry. Or else if price break above this 2200 area, then we decided to long in Reliance Industry. In 15 minutes time, frame, price traded in a range. This range, if break below, then we go for search for short opportunity. If price break above this trend line, so search for long opportunity. Both the scenarios possible. We just wait for breakout. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a profitable Wednesday tomorrow. Thank you.